Hey everyone, welcome back to Futuristic Rides. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of performance and precision with the all-new 2026 BMW M4. Get ready, because this beast is here to shake up the sports coupe segment once again. The 2026 M4 continues BMW's legacy of blending aggressive aesthetics with cutting-edge engineering, and this latest iteration is sharper, faster, and more refined than ever. Let's start with the design. The 2026 BMW M4 makes a bold statement the moment you lay eyes on it. BMW has fine-tuned the exterior with a more aerodynamic front fascia, revised air intakes, and sleeker LED headlights that feature a new signature lighting pattern. The iconic kidney grills remain large and commanding, but they've been slightly reshaped for improved airflow and a more cohesive front-end design. Along the sides, the M4's muscular stance is highlighted by sculpted lines, flared fenders, and new forged lightweight alloy wheels that are both stylish and functional. At the rear, you'll notice the new quad exhaust setup integrated into a reworked diffuser, and a sharper-looking rear spoiler that's both aesthetic and aerodynamic. Under the hood, the 2026 M4 is all about unfiltered power and precision. It packs a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, now tuned to deliver up to 525 horsepower in the competition model. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.6 seconds. Paired with BMW's lightning-fast 8-speed automatic transmission and available xDrive all-wheel drive, the M4 offers a driving experience that's equally at home on winding roads and on the track. For purists, the standard rear-wheel drive and 6-speed manual option remains a fan favorite. The adaptive M suspension has been reworked for even better handling, and the steering has been calibrated to offer razor-sharp response without compromising daily comfort. Step inside, and the M4's cabin is a seamless mix of luxury, sportiness, and modern tech. You're immediately greeted by BMW's latest curved display, which combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen into one sweeping piece of glass. The system runs the new iDrive 9, offering quicker responsiveness and a cleaner interface. The interior features new carbon fiber accents, M-specific stitching, and premium materials all around. The newly designed M Sport seats not only provide excellent support during spirited driving, but now come with improved ventilation and massage functions. Ambient lighting with dynamic color options adds a futuristic touch, making night drives more immersive. One unique feature that stands out in the 2026 BMW M4 is the enhanced M Drift Analyzer. Yes, BMW knows its fans love a little sideways action, and this system lets you track, record, and even score your drifts on screen. Combine that with the customizable M modes, which adjust everything from throttle response to suspension stiffness, and you've got a car that can transform from a calm cruiser to a racetrack weapon with the press of a button. Also new is the upgraded M Carbon bucket seat with integrated speakers in the headrest for a more immersive audio experience via the Harman Kardon sound system. The 2026 BMW M4 isn't just an evolution, it's a redefinition of what a high-performance coupe should be. With its aggressive design, powerhouse performance, refined interior, and tech-loaded features, this car is built for enthusiasts who crave excitement every time they hit the road. Thanks for watching.